So I'd like to make it tight, okay? Alright. So I just want to point out something about this. You can see it. Can you notice I asked the guys out to help me? Why? Because my hands are in these sleeves. Can you see that? And I can't use my fingers. Doesn't matter. I can't use my fingers. And the buckles are outside the straight jacket. And they're behind my back. And I can't press them. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is kids. Be careful. Okay, alright. So this one here goes under my leg. There we go. And just screw that buckle at the bottom now. And goes under my leg. Yeah. So it's at the end of the belt again. That one there at the back. You see? So it goes around the front here through that hole. You see that one there? That one there, and it goes to the bottom. So you don't have to touch it. It goes through the hole there, so at the back. I can't even do it, but I need you to do it. Yeah, it goes through there. Okay, thank you. Alright. You can do it a bit harder now. I know you know. You get it further. It's a bit harder than that. Put it down so it goes to the next one. Okay. So then, I'd like to check it though. Okay. This goes to that one there. And just do this button. And just take it. Okay. So, yes sir, can you hold the end of that chain please? Just grab this chain. Can you just take the end there? Yeah, pick that up. You can pick up, it's okay. When the boy lets you go, we're going to take this here and take that one there. Okay, right. Come with me in the middle, guys. Alright. Before I go any further, just want to say, these two guys just came out and helped me. Maybe no one else can have, maybe really want. We made lots of noise for them. Come on. These two guys, that's your own amen. Come on, everybody. It's not a me. You have to sit around. So you put me this way, okay? Okay. So if you can put me in, put that around my neck. And, okay. So, can you just grab the chain of Yasser over there? Okay. Now, what I'm going to ask you to do, gentlemen, is I'm going to ask you to walk backwards a little bit. And we're going to pull the chain tightly. Come a bit closer to me, guys. Okay. Now that we'll chain up in the car, we're just going to do it that way today. That's enough. You just grab it up together in a nice car. Pick it up off the ground. Okay. So, I'm going to move back a little bit, and if you can sort of stand next to you, that really helps on this. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. So, alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, Ahmed and Yasser has strapped me in to the straight jacket. I can't do anything. Now the chain is around my neck. Alright? I just met these guys, alright? I'm going to ask you to make it a little bit tighter. Maybe you want to hurt me. So you can back this just a little bit. Pull it tighter, hold it in your hands like that. Okay, I'm going to come towards you. And then, you're going to attach the padlock. So you can pull it a bit tighter. Now, everybody, if I start turning blue, it's not part of the show. Okay, right. Okay, so you pull tight. Okay, here comes to you. Alright, now, can we agree that's tied around my neck? Okay, I'm going to come to you. And gentlemen, if you can just walk around me in a circle. That's it. I mean, great. Go a little bit quicker maybe. It's not great.
نورة أنا قاعدة على الكراسي طيب اسمعيني نورة
It's fun though.
نورة أنا هنا
I like all the 6 hours, guys.
شوفها يا ابني شوفها قاعدة هنا على الكراسي هذه
Alright, so the people in nice and fun. When I have inside that yellow boxes here are 6 padlocks. Can you see them there? So just pick up a padlock. This inside that box. Yeah, that's again. You put the lock wherever you want. Take one and place it on here. I'm being words that I'm putting locks there. You can kind of get it. I want you to put all of them on. No. So put the lock on there. Nice and tight. Push against me. Drop it so much. Yeah, nice and tight. Now, in the box, you open it up, there's 5 more locks in there. Put them wherever you want. You go to the front, to the back, wherever you want. Just going to let them do what they want. Small, and it's different, every single show. Limit time get out in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Now, oh, okay. A little bit scared, huh? We'll just, that's it. And then you put the food down, put them in the box, and then And here the ones I expected by the time, and I just want to say,
How can I?
before you go, come on everybody, Yasser and I didn't know what the hell was going to happen. They get into my world, that was great. Come on everybody, clap and see for them. Come on, let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to finish the show trying to escape in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. But I want to give you the best show I can. And sometimes you learn new tricks. I learned one the other day. I'd like to show it to you now. It may not work. If you want to see it, say yeah. Alright, okay. So what I'm going to attempt to do is keep this hat on my head. And then we're going to start the countdown. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then, just for the last 10 seconds, I'd like you lot to make some noise too. Just counting from 10 to 0. Just give me a bit of energy. Come on, we're going to do something impossible. Let's get a bit excited. Right, so here we go. Hat on the head. Hands up if you think I can do it. Thank you. Hands up if you don't think I can do it. Some of the same people. Hands up if you don't like putting your hands up. Okay, here we go. Head on the head. Okay, everybody boo! Everybody hears? Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready?
Escape secrets emissions in 7.52 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. 6 and 7.52 seconds to initiate and 6, 5, 4, 3 and so on like that. I don't know. Well, we all make mistakes, aren't we? I mean, people look at me and think like, you know, you must be running perfectly like a clock because,
Come on, man, the people are waiting. Come on.
Even clocks make mistakes, apparently. They're not clocks that people keep. All right, mate, keep your hair on. I'll just start again, shall I?
Yes, please.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go! I'm only joking. Still 2 minutes. One minute first remaining. Is that as far as you've got? The final minute.